36-37% बच्चे स्कूल में नहीं जा रहे। जो जा रहे हैं वो एक हमारी NGO है जिसने एक सर्वे किया और उसने कहा कि 77% वो बच्चे जो क्लास 5 में हैं वो क्लास 2 की बुक नहीं पढ़ सकते।
Why does not all students go to school? The main factor is poverty. According to the news, over 250 million students don't go to school, and because of labor, work and many other tasks, people or families don't send their students to the school, just not because it is their choice, just because of the fear of hunger. In many rural areas, there are no roads, no facilities to students to walk to the schools. In rural areas, nearest schools are miles away. Students walk in rain, sunlight, heavy warm day.
High temperatures in London.
Londoners are looking for relief from the stifling conditions.
Little hate it, the current heat wave doesn't come without problem.
When the UK struggles through a heat wave, temperatures over there can get as high as the mid-30s.
But they study. Now, the government are building schools and NGOs are donating or giving the scholarship for opportunities and so that the students can build their new hope in classrooms and build their futures. New generation are just destroying because of social media. They have no role models, no future plans. They are just copying the way the social media are teaching them. Every child has right to learn or study to become a doctor, engineer and many more. So the main message is to study hard, don't fear of hunger. Poverty is a silent barrier. Family struggles because school becomes luxurious and instead of notebooks, students carry tools, work in shop, sell balloons. Their parents taught them to beg or begging or stole anything. That's a wrong thing. For children that have disabilities, they have no facilities, no ramp, no transportation, no facilities to study. That is the main reason why not all students go to school areas. There bad transportation, bad roads, bad transportations, bad pathways and no bridges make students a classroom dream. Some kids stop going to school just because of motivation, lack of confidence and the pressure of study, social media and pressure and torture from parents. So learning seems them pointless. The barriers are real, is so the hope. When the governments and NGOs and companies help poor students to build their future brighter so that every student can walk in the classroom and dream to complete their dream, making there should be no student left behind that can't study. One reason is battle, like in Gaza, Palestine, the Israel people destroy their schools and also destroy their future teachers and students. It can also be a factor and why students don't go to school and why not all students go to school. Child labor, prejudice and wars more the schools are miles away, transportation, no facilities. That is the main motive. That is the main motive of why students don't go to school. Why all students go to school? That's for it.